Okay, so now we start with how to pass the inheritance. So how to write the inheritance in a program. So before going to the inheritance part, okay, so we have to start with the access specifier. What is access specifier and what is the work of this access specifier and how you have to implement it. Okay, so we have to discuss it one by one.
Hello, sir. Hello.
Hello.
ଆଜ୍ଞା ସାର୍ ଭଏସ୍ ଆସୁନଥିଲା।
Okay, so we start with the polymorphism. As you know that polymorphism is of your two type. One is static polymorphism, another is dynamic polymorphism. In static polymorphism, that already you know how to access the function. Okay. In dynamic polymorphism, um, the decision about function execution is decided at runtime. In static polymorphism, the decision about function execution is happened at compile time. जैसे कि क्या होता है ना, आपका जो रोल है वो फिक्स रहता है। जैसे कि आप व्हेन यू टेक ए बर्थ, तो एट दैट टाइमिंग आपका जो कुछ रिलेशन है, जैसे कि फादर मदर, ये सब क्या है ना, आपका ऑलरेडी डिफाइन किया गया है। डायनामिक पॉलीमॉर्फिज्म इज व्हाट, लाइक यू हैव टू मेक ए फ्रेंड। आप खुद फ्रेंड बनाओगे एंड the relationship like marriage relationship, so that is dynamically happen. Okay. And static polymorphism which is fixed. Similar way, in programmatically, if you say that in static polymorphism, the decision about the function execution is decided at compile time. In dynamic polymorphism, the decision about the function execution is happen at runtime. Okay. So now in static polymorphism, in the case of static polymorphism, an entity such as method can be exist in a different form. In static polymorphism, one or more method can exist. Just a minute, some participant has done. In static polymorphism, one or more method can exist with the same name but different argument list. In static polymorphism, when exhibit by the method is known as overloading. So in a programmatically, static polymorphism is implemented in the form of method overloading. Okay, so what is that method overloading? Method overloading is a concept where one method is defined मोर देन वन टाइम। मतलब एक मेथड एक प्रोग्राम में मोर देन वन टाइम डिक्लेयर होगा, लेकिन विद द सेम नेम, बट इसका पैरामीटर डिफरेंट रहेगा, फंक्शन का पैरामीटर डिफरेंट रहेगा। वन फंक्शन इज डिक्लेयर इन ए क्लास मोर देन वन टाइम, बट इट पैरामीटर इज define in different way. Okay, so how we have to implement this function overloading, we discuss it one by one. I will show you how to define this function overloading. Okay, so when you define a function, in the case of function overloading, the same function is used in a program more than one time.